Hello everybody. Today we're flying the Cessna O-1 Bird Dog, otherwise known as the L-19 Cessna. And we're going to take her around just locally, get a good look at it on the ground and in the air. And this plane was basically liaison in observation. And it flew on December 1949, and it actually entered the service in 1950 as an L-19 in the Korean War. It also served in the Vietnam War. It was also called the OE-1 and the OE-2 in the Navy service. It also flew with the Marine Corps, and in the 1960s it was redesignated as the O-1. It remains a civilian aircraft, warbird aircraft, and there's numerous examples in aviation museums as well. But to give you just a little bit of performance on it, I think I might have that. Let's see. Yeah, maximum speed is 115. And cruise speed was 104. It had a 530-mile range and a service ceiling of 18,500. Amazing. Rate of climb is 1,100 feet. So, yeah, it was a good plane. Served itself well, and a lot of different countries were using them as well. Let's go ahead and fire her up and take her up. Hopefully I can remember how to start this girl. And we'll put the heat on now. Actually, you know what? I think I'll leave that off until we get her fired up. Put the nav lights on, strobe lights. I don't think we're going to need the landing lights, and beacon lights we can use. Let's go ahead and prime her. Alright, let's look up and make sure we've got our fuel line in line. And we're going to go to that tank. And we'll get the magneto switch over on both. And let's see. Oh yeah, need that fuel pump. And let's give her a crank, see if she'll start. All right. We'll open up the window. All right, so we'll let her sit here and warm up a little bit. And we'll calibrate our altimeter, and directional gyro is now matched up. That's good. The one thing about this plane is it lands very well for a tailwheel airplane. It lands very, very nice. But you have to be very, very careful with the brakes, because she'll come over. I mean, she is super sensitive. All right, let's take a look at things here. Yeah, temperatures, pressures, electrical, and fuel. It's all good. Take one last look at the gas. Looking good. Looking good. Alright, let's go ahead and taxi. And we're actually just going to do a taxiway takeoff here. There we go. So as you can see, she flies very agile. She controls very well. Not quite as stall crazy as the L4 Cub, but still you have to be careful of it. Go ahead and mount up the final. I'll show you how pretty gentle she is coming in for a landing. There's some really good stories on YouTube, documentaries on the L-19 and its pilots. This thing was very used a lot. It was used an awful lot. So I usually just pull the throttle completely back and just let her idle in. She does carry quite a bit of speed. As you can see, we're doing 100, so you can bleed that off fairly easy. And the wheel landings are pretty good on this plane. She doesn't bounce a lot. She kind of holds her own down. Very smooth. So throttle's all the way back. I'm just keeping the nose down. Then I'll pull her up. Just get those wings level. Get the wings level. Let her just fall down. Gently tipping around. She's down. And then the brakes, you just have to tap and hold. And then tap and release. You gotta look for that nose to drop. Once you see that nose coming down, release the brake. Because if you don't, she'll come over on you. Now the other thing too about this plane is, if you get it, is it's got a relatively high taxi rate. In other words, she likes to get along. And there we go. The L-19 from Cessna. Fun plane. Got a crazy amount of liveries on this thing. Civilian, all kinds of military versions, and amphibious with the flutes. So yeah, you can have a blast with this plane. Hope you like it. Talk to y'all later.